In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix ChatGPT's slow responses. 2026 full guide. If answers feel sluggish or streams keep pausing. This walkthrough will help you restore fast, reliable performance by tuning memories, cleaning local data, and confirming everything beyond your device is healthy. First, let's clear up the out of space for saved memories message. This refers to the profile personalization list the AI keeps about you across chats. Upgrading a subscription won't expand that core capacity. Paid tiers may reshuffle what's freshest, but the number of slots stays fixed. So the real solution is managing what's stored. Open your profile menu in the bottom left, choose Settings, then the Personalization tab, select Manage, and remove outdated, duplicate, or irrelevant entries using the trash can icon. This immediately frees slots and prevents memory-related slowdowns or confusion. If you need a deeper reset with minimal loss, use the profile consolidation trick. Because the cap is based on the count of entries rather than how long each one is, compressing them into a single structured block can reclaim a lot of space. In any chat, ask, provide a complete, detailed, bulleted report of every memory you have saved about me. Copy that text. Go to Settings, Personalization, Manage, and choose Delete all to wipe the fragmented list. Start a new chat and say, consolidate these facts into a single, highly structured user profile text block with zero fluff, and commit this entire block to your memory. Paste the list under that prompt. You'll keep the essentials in one entry and reduce memory pressure dramatically. Next, clear targeted on-device site data. When live token streaming lags, it's often corrupted session info or overloaded cookies. Open your browser settings, go to Privacy and Security, and delete browsing data. Set the time range to all time and clear cookies and cached files. If you want to avoid logging out of other sites, click the lock icon in the ChatGPT address bar, open cookies and site data, and remove data specifically for OpenAI.com and ChatGPT.com. Now optimize your system resources. Extremely long threads make your browser re-render huge histories. Ask, summarize our entire conversation framework so far in detail so I can jump to a fresh chat. Copy that summary, open a new chat, paste it, and continue there. Close idle tabs to free RAM, and if the browser still hangs, use the native desktop app from chatgpt.com/download for smoother hardware-optimized rendering. Finally, check global status. Open a new tab and visit status.openai.com to see if there's elevated latency or gateway degradation. If everything shows green, the slowdown is local to your browser or network path. And that is all for today. Keeping your personalization settings condensed and your browser data lean ensures your AI workspace remains incredibly fast and responsive. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.